Hey, if you've been wondering what to eat in order to get a great night's sleep, I'm going to look to talk with you about that today. Hi, I'm Dr. Greg Gersten with Align Wellness Center, where I've been helping people to remove the blockages in their health so they could lead an amazing, fantastic life. Sleep is massively important to that because that's where we heal, rejuvenate, our body gets rest, and we get to wind up revitalizing ourselves. But for many people, they like to know or have an idea of what they should be eating to get a good night's sleep. Now, my trick that I've been guiding people on is that it's key to wind up having a relatively light stomach when you fall asleep. So I like to avoid food 2 hours before bed. That's as a whole. Now, the food that you eat also has to relate with the food you eat all day long before you get into bed, because the food that we eat all day long will help to dictate how our body flows through the cycles of sleep and wake. So, and the foods will determine how much spiking you have throughout the day that wears your body out. So what I find is that you should really look to avoid as many toxins and chemicals as you can. I find that the easiest and the best way to eat is to follow the principles of the plate. There is a circle, or the foods you eat are a circle. And 25% of that plate winds up coming in the forms of lean, clean proteins. The other 75% should come in the form of the fruits and vegetables. This is the way we were meant to eat and supposed to eat. So we need to avoid the processed food, the hydrogenated foods, hydrogenated oils. We need to wind up avoiding things that have been man-made, kind of the center of a supermarket, I like to think about it, things that'll last through the next nuclear holocaust. Additionally, in what we eat, people like to know, will taking things like THC or smoking marijuana wind up helping me to sleep, or is it quality sleep, or drinking at night helps me to fall asleep? It will help you to fall asleep. However, what we'll find and what you'll find is that the sleep you get is not restful. So it's really important to avoid these things. Finding the cause of why you're not able to fall asleep is way more important than substituting the ability to fall asleep with alcohol, drugs, prescribed, or over the counter. These are some of the key foundations on how to get a great night's sleep and what to put in your body for it. If you've got questions about it, please write down below. I'm always looking to answer questions that you have. Also, give it a thumbs up. And if you'd like to learn more tools and skills on how to lead amazing, fantastic life, go ahead and subscribe to our channel. Once again, I want to thank you for letting me be a part of your health.